Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PCTL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Very nice movement today. Yesterday was looking pretty rough. And then, honestly, the first 30 minutes there was looking really, really rough. I mean, the price opened up, went down there, and then the bulls came back. And then in the world of candlesticks, we would call that a hammer candle. So a beautiful hammer candle. And then from there, it was just pretty much bulls the remainder of the day. So what started off as a very, very rough morning, it turned out to be well. I mean, you got to stop and think that sure, there was people buying down there, so congratulations to them, but there was also people selling down there, so they're probably not having too good of a day, but I digress. So as far as going forward now, yes, this level down here at 0.023, that still remains a level of support. Nothing in that regard has changed. But the one thing to keep in mind now going forward is, there's a newer area of support right up there at 0.028, which I would call the ideal level of support. As in, Clay, what would make this chart look the best going forward? Definitely if the price can stay up above 0.028. But, don't get me wrong, it's not like if the price falls below there, that means everything's totally destroyed. Because, again, you still do have 0.023 down there. But, yeah, preferably speaking, if the price can stay above 0.028, that would be, the best sign of power going forward. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, first initial level to keep an eye on now going forward, going to be right up there at about 0.036, and just in case something bigger happens after 0.036, then you're just talking about and focus back on those highs from up there right around 0.041. So keep an eye on those couple levels there. But like I said, it's not necessarily a matter of needing to break levels of resistance. The big thing that happened today was just simply that the price consolidated, and not only consolidated, but actually worked its way upwards. So we'll see if the bulls can build upon this or not. And, still potential that maybe this is just a dead cat bounce. So that's always a possibility. But you got to give credit where credit's due. It bounced very nicely, and it recovered from a very nasty first 30 minutes. So we'll see if the bulls can continue to build upon this bounce or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.